everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, viewers, wherever you are. Today, I would like to say something about hatred. They nice to dey keep bad memories. They nice to dey keep something for mind to hurt person. That dey nice. Dey too good. Why we not forget past and think about present? You see, like now, nobody know tomorrow. Just imagine wetin dey happen now, how this virus dey now dey kill people. Nobody expect that thing, and see how e don. Nobody expect say e go last reach like this. And now people dey get that mind, dey keep bad memories to hurt person, to hurt friends, or to hurt brothers, or to hurt relation. That thing no dey good, e no dey nice. E good say make person dey forget im past memory, im bad memory, make person dey forget am. Think positive, and work towards that thing. Not say because person hurt you for the past, just say because now you dey opportune, you go wan hurt the person in a different way. That thing no dey too good. E no dey too good to hurt person that way. Leave the past bad memories. Forget about all those bad things wey you carry for mind, and make yourself dey free. When people dey talk of devil, some go say dem never see devil. Na devil dey hurt person. Na devil. No. The devil wey everybody dey talk about, person dey see am every day, dey touch am every day. And that first devil wey person dey touch, na be money. When you get money, you fit do anything. And when you no get money, and just because you wan get that money, you fit commit any crime make you forget that money. Long ago, dem dey talk am say, or past long ago, dem dey talk say money is not everything. But today, I tell you, money na everything. And that money na be the devil. Na be the devil. When people don't know, when people dey find say they wan see that devil, and that money na be the devil. If you no get money now, somebody just come tell you say, look why you no get money. Now because of this your brother, now make you not get this money. Do your brother this thing, or your family member this thing, or your friend, hurt your friend, make you forget that money. You go do am because you wan get rich. You wan get rich. So because of that thing, you go wan hurt your person, or hurt whoever dey around you. Why you not think of positive thing? Why you not make yourself happy? You see, like all these rich men now they get big problem. Now as they rich get that money, that's why the problem follow them. None of them dey happy. If you want see person wey really dey happy, when dey, if you see am when e dey, just say because e no get, na the poor people. Na the night dey happy pass, and na the night get rest of mind pass. Na they get rest of mind. Like one man, just stay one day because he just managed get money. He forget him friend, him very good friends, when they help am, when they two, they push hand to hand to make things work out fine for them. He asked this in friend, when they struggle to try to meet up. He called this in friend. He said, look, he need money, but one thing be say, see how he want to make his own wealth. Whether they will fit help am serve him wife. Then I want say, he don't dey serve you for long. He don't dey help you, they do everything. He dey go message for you. He dey work for you. But why now you want make him dey serve your wife? They help, they go message for your wife. He no go fit do that because he be family man. If he go do that thing for you, they go message for your wife, you go dey pay him. You go dey give him something because at the end of the day he wan bring something go back home to feed him children. He tell him friend like that. He say he ready to do everything. Gone of the days, he dey do everything for you. He dey go message for you. He dey work, make things for work out fine. Because like wetin dem promise theirself, when if this one succeed, then later you return the message back to help him too. Make dem help theirself to meet up because they are friends. The other one wey take 3 years older, he say he accept. But for inside him mind, he no accept, he no take that thing from him friend, the younger one. He no take that thing just because he want everything from himself. He want make everybody dey serve am. He want make everybody dey respect am. But why you go want this thing and why you go want treat your friend this way? Your friend don serve you for long. He don go message for you, sacrifice himself for you, make things work out fine, make he see say you succeed. Then later you go turn the good to am back, make himself meet up too. He go message for you, he do everything for you, he drive for you. Na him work the money when you take buy your car, your first car, when una take open small local business. Then you turn the message to am say, make that car when una gather, when both of them look for money to arrange to get, you say make you take am dey go message for your wife. Now this younger one agree say if he go do that thing for you, though he own part of him money dey inside, you go dey pay him because he no go fit do that thing at the end of the day when he get children. This man, this elder man, put that thing for mind, keep that grudge for him, keep am inside. They cut from him friend, the younger one. He cut from the younger one. You think this thing dey nice? He cut from the younger one just because the younger one dey foolish enough to sacrifice him happiness for him friend. Sacrifice everything to see say this him friend get to that stage so that the boy go return or him friend go return the good back so that they go be friends to make just like family business. But he don't know say this thing not so the elder one put for mind. Why you go do this thing? And why this younger one why if they go foolish for him friends just because of the likeness when he get for am? When things don't dey go well with the elder one, he turn against this one. He say no, he no want her for him house again. He no want make they send am out. When this one go meet am for house rent, say look, see the condition when he dey. He no see money pay house rent, and now he want his own part of him money when he invest. He want am make this man give am, make him pay or make him take leave. The man turn against am just because now he don't get something for hand. Get that, he can't get hatred for him friend. Say he no want see him friend again for here. He no want see anything. He say why you foolish? Like you turn yourself foolishly. Like you bring that foolishness to yourself, not him. Because when he say make them do business, you agree. You bring your own part. They invest am. But he spend the money wisely. You see how friend they turn against person. He say so he no go help a friend, the younger one. He say he no go help am. He leave that in friend. He leave am now, make it suffer. Why you go doing that? This one a part of devilish thing. This one nobody will live forever. Nobody will ever live forever. This hatred when you get for your friend, so you know go help you. At the end, one day your rewards they come and your punishment they come. Your punishment they come for this thing when you do your friends. So friends, it could make person they reason, make person they make sense, make person they think fast, because these days they say devil not they exist. Now so many people talk say devil not they exist. They think because they don't get the money. They say they fit take their money, do anything where they want, but not true. The devil wey dey exist na be this money wey people dey get. Because of that money, they fit commit. Because of that money, they fit commit crime. Because of that money, they fit hate you. Because of that money, they fit put you do anything. Just because they get the money. They fit put you, take their money, put you for anything. They fit take their money, strike you out. So viewers, be very careful with friends. How you take dey make agreement with friends. Because these days, when they don't get, they no dey remember you again.